1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video for you guys and I'm going to be recreating Adelaine Morin's Instagram pictures. So I have been wanting to do this for a little bit now, so I finally got around to do it. But my Instagram is @ShelbyDodge05, so if you want to go check it out, I would love that. So I think the pictures turned out pretty good and I'm pretty proud of myself. So my brother took all the pictures and he was super helpful, so shout out to him. I'll leave his Instagram down below and his channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the pictures. This one was a little bit hard because at first the sun wasn't out and we couldn't get any sun through the blinds. Eventually we found a pretty good spot and a pretty good picture. So this is how it turned out. I can't even hold this. Hold on. Oh. Here. So here is Adelaine's picture and here is my picture, so let me know what you guys think down below. I think I did a pretty good job with this one. I think the lighting is pretty similar, the idea is there, and we have some lighting with the window blinds showing, and my hair is pretty spot on. The shirt I'm wearing isn't exact, but I think it's pretty good, and the doodles that I added on the side look pretty similar. So I am very happy with this one. I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10. So this next picture, you can see Adelaine is at Disneyland and she has some popcorn like blowing in her hand and she has a really cute background and doodles on the side. This one was a little hard to recreate, but I think we got something. I don't even have to move. I'll just go like this and blow, all right?
Can you like blow that out of your hand? Yeah. I don't think you can. 3, 2, 1, go. Back to center. 1, 2, 3.
This popcorn sucks, by the way. That's why we're throwing it.
She had to have tossed it. She had to just.
But what do you think?
It's gonna have to be it right there.
Yeah, that might be it. Alright, I think we got it.
Listen.
So here is Adelaine's picture and here is my picture. So let me know what you guys think down below. So I had to do a little bit of photoshopping and editing on this picture and I just edited around it to make it look like I was in the background. So I added cute little doodles on there, of course, and I think this one turned out pretty good. So I really like this one. I think I would give it a 9 out of 10. So this next picture is one of Adelaine holding a piece of watermelon and she has her hair up in cute space buns and she's standing in front of a pink background. So we tried our best to recreate this one and this is how we did.
That's
You can't like not smile like that. All right, we got it. So here's Adelaine's picture and here's my picture. I think they turned out pretty similar, so I'm pretty proud of that. But it's definitely not exact, but I tried my best and I went ahead and added the little doodles and edited a little bit. I'll probably give this like an 8 out of 10. So this next picture was pretty hard. Adelaine is sitting in front of a mirror and taking like a mirror selfie and I didn't have a mirror that big. So Michael and I had to like make it look like I was taking in front of a mirror.
Head needs to turn that way. Look that way too. Yeah. Look at me.
Like is it this hand?
Yeah, it's that hand. Ready?
here is Adeline's picture and here's my picture. So they're pretty similar, but the editing and the angle is a little bit different. So I think the outfit is pretty spot on. It's just the angle is a little off. I would probably give this one like a 6.5 out of 10. So this one is of her in front of a yellow backdrop, and she's wearing like this off-the-shoulder yellow top with some flowers in her hair.
She doesn't have her eyes open? Damn.
You got it? We're done?
It's gonna have to work, man.
It's gonna be good enough.
Doing whatever it needs to do.
We got it. So here's Adeline's picture, and here's my picture. So let me know what you guys think. This one is pretty similar, not my favorite, but I still really like it. I'll probably give it like a 7 out of 10. So those are all the pictures that I recreated off of Adeline's Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really different from all of my other videos that I've made, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to subscribe for more, go ahead and click the button down below and leave a comment what you thought. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan.